Are your marketing efforts not getting great results? Maybe your website is really great and your content's on point, but for some reason, you're just not getting the leads and sales. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grow your business, maximize your sales using video marketing. And why video? Well, simply video works better than text-based SEO strategies because it's a better way for you to connect with your audience, as well as the fact that people just enjoy watching videos over reading these days. Now, another thing to keep in mind is that Google loves video because it's the parent organization behind YouTube. So it directly impacts your website's overall search engine ranking. As a matter of fact, if you have video embedded in your website, your chances of being on top of the search results increase by more than 50 times. My name is Milena Gacesa and I'm the author of the book, The Art of Self-Selling, and I'm also an online marketing and sales coach for small service-based businesses. I help you grow your business by showing you how you can generate leads and customers by using the newest and most effective online marketing strategies. So if you're interested in learning more, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss a future episode. Who loves stats? I do. And according to Mirror Review, an average user spends 88% more time on a website with video, 72% of people would rather learn about a product or service through video, and viewers are 95% more likely to remember a call to action after watching a video compared to only 10% when they read it in text format. Mind blown. So, if you're not using video marketing in your business, you are seriously missing out. Let's get into how you can get faster sales through video. Tip number 1 is keyword research. So you have to know what people are searching for in your niche. And the way to do that is using a tool called Keywords Everywhere, which will tell you what the monthly search volume is for that particular phrase. So that way you're not wasting time and guessing, and worse, creating videos that no one is interested in. Tip number 2 is practice makes perfect. So if you're new to creating videos, I would suggest practicing every single day. So that way you can just kind of get used to talking in front of the camera, and also practice asking questions and being engaging. Now, nobody has to see these videos. It's just for you so that you can kind of grow and improve. Most importantly, you want to have a call to action or even several calls to action throughout your video. So this means that you want the person watching to do something like subscribe, join your email list, or visit your website. So for example, I ask people to either watch another video that I've done or get a free copy of my book. And I also ask people to subscribe, like, and comment. Tip number 3 is transcribe your video. So there's a couple of reasons why you want to do that. Number 1 is that sometimes people just can't have the sound on because they're either in bed next to a spouse, or they're at work, or they're just in a place that they can't listen. So what you want to do is make sure that they're at least able to read what your video is about. Number 2 is by transcribing your video, you can repurpose that into other social media channels and even create quotes out of it, which is something that I do for my Instagram. You can either transcribe your video yourself, or you can use services to get the video transcribed like rev.com. Tip number 4 is use keywords and tags. So when you do your original search for which keywords are ranking high, you want to include those in what you're saying in your text and in your tags when you're uploading your YouTube video. This will help you get more traffic. Tip number 5 is share everywhere. So share your videos everywhere. Tip number 6 is engage. So if people leave a comment on your video or post, make sure that you acknowledge them and respond to their comment. This is how you'll start building those relationships, and it also encourages people to continue watching your content and want to see your next video. Here's a little example of something that happened to me with a person that a lot of you know. It's Gary Vaynerchuk, and the very first time I met him. So this was before he was very, very famous, but he was speaking at an event that I was taking pictures at. And during his book signing, he looked over at me and he said, "Thank you for taking pictures today. You're doing a great job." And instantly, I became a huge fan. And this is one of the main reasons that Gary Vee is as big as he is today, is because he really, really shows that he cares. All right, let's recap. So what you want to do is do keyword research, practice every day, transcribe your videos, use keywords and tags, share on all of your platforms, and engage and be friendly. For more social media tips, check out chapter 4 of my book, The Art of Soft Selling. You can get a free copy in the description below. And if you want help with your video marketing or digital marketing, you can send me an email to milena@theartofsoftselling.com, or you can visit my website. All the links are in the descriptions below. Okay, until next time, bye for now.